So we're going to do converting measurements. All right? So these are those problems from the front of your worksheet. This is how you convert a measurement. So we're starting with number 13 on the front. And the fraction they give us is 80 meters in 1 day. And what I want to convert it to is meters per minute. So does my top label need to change? No, it's already the same. Does my bottom label need to change? Yes, I need to take days, and I need to turn 1 day into how many minutes? So let's talk it through. What do you know about days? They're 24 hours. I can break it down a little bit. So I can say 1 day is 24 hours. And here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say 24 hours, and I'm going to put on top 1 day. Because you guys, when diagonals and fractions are the same, what happens? They cancel out. So my days, okay, now I've got hours on the bottom. Am I done? No. So what do you know about hours? So 1 hour, because I want the hours to be diagonal, because they need to disappear, is 60 minutes. Am I done now? Is my bottom label the same? And is my top label the same? All right, let's multiply. 180 times 1 times 1 over 1 times 24 times 60. 1,440. I can tell you that simplifies. What helps you simplify? Your calculator. I know automatically those zeros are going to cancel out. 18 over 144. What is 18 over 144 or 180 over 1,444 simplify to, Gavin? 1 meter every 8 minutes. So there's your answer that you write on the front for number 13. Then we're going to come back and we're going to do all this work again for the next one. Hannah. Carson, keep your feet still. Thank you. 2.5 gallons for 1 minute. And I want to convert that to quarts per hour. So we need to convert. Let's start with our numerator. Let's convert gallons to quarts. What do you know about gallons and quarts? Think back to 5th grade. 4 quarts in 1 gallon. So my gallons go diagonal, so they cancel out. Four quarts is 1 gallon. And the gallons disappear. So am I good on the top? Yes. Let's take minutes and make them to hours. What do you know about minutes? 60 minutes is 1 hour. The minutes need to be diagonal from each other. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Is my bottom label good? Yes. All right. Multiply. 2.5 times 4 times 60. 2.5 times 4 times 60 is 600 over 1 times 1 times 1. 600 quarts per 1 hour. That's your answer. Put it on the front. Then we'll do 15. "45 yards in 1 minute to inches per second." Let's do the numerator first. 45 yards. I want to convert yards into inches. What do you know about yards? People can either say there's 3 feet in a yard and then change your feet into inches. Or some people know that 1 yard is 36 inches. So my yards go diagonal. 1 yard is 36 inches. So I'm good. What do you about minutes to get to seconds? All right, so minutes, and 1 minute is 60 seconds. And are my labels good? 45 times 36 times 1. 1,620 over 1 times 1 times 60. Can that be simplified? Yes. In the least, I know the zeros cancel out, right? 162 over 6. 27 over 1. 27 inches for 1 second. (16) 0.3 3/10 kilometers per second. I want to change that into meters per minute. What do you know about kilometers? There's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So kilometers go opposite. And 1,000 meters, so I'm good to go. And can you change seconds into minutes? 60 seconds, go diagonal, 1 minute. (3/10 times 1,000 times 60. 18,000. 1 times 1 times 1. 18,000 meters per 1 minute. (17) 15 kilograms per 1 minute. And I want to change it to grams per second. So what do we know about kilograms and getting it to grams? What does kilo mean? 1,000. So 1 kilogram is what? 1,000 grams. What do you know about minutes to seconds? 1 minute, diagonal so they can cross out, is 60 seconds. You do the math. I'm taking a break. 15 times 1,000 times 1 1 times 1 times 60. Can that fraction, can it simplify to go here? Number 18, I'm going to set up for you because you're going to have to finish for homework. 5 ounces for 1 minute, and we want to change it to quarts per day. So you're going to have to do a lot of converting. The first thing you need to know, we had to look this up last hour, is 1 quart is 32 ounces. So I did the first part for you. Now I need you to do minutes and get them to days. Finish this worksheet for homework, please.